Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Just navigate to Settings, General, Reset. Once there, select the Reset Home Screen Layout button. A dialog will pop up asking for a confirmation. Once you return to the home screen, you will notice that all the icons are placed just like they were when you first turned on your iPhone.
Let's help you make your mark.
Tap and hold your finger on the app you want to move, and then drag it around the screen. You should see the app icon move under your finger, and other apps will flow around it as you drag. If you want to move the app to another page, drag it to the edge of the screen.
Take our lead.
Navigate to Settings, Apps and Notifications. See All Apps. You'll see a drop-down tab named All Apps at the top of the screen. Tap it and select Disabled Apps. If the missing app is among the disabled, tap it and click Enable below the screen.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.